Welcome to Unit 102 at 6149 Washington Way. This 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bathroom townhome is located in desirable North Nanaimo with 2 dedicated parking spots. The popular floor plan has no stairs with a level entry and is over 1,200 square feet. This unit features a modern open kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Enjoy your cozy outdoor patio and garden space. The primary bedroom offers a walk-in closet and a 3-piece ensuite. The second bedroom is a generous size, as is the den off the living room, which could also function as a 3rd bedroom. The main living area is open concept and full of natural light. Strathcona Ridge townhomes are walking distance to Northridge Plaza and just 5 minutes from Woodgrove Mall. To arrange a private showing or for a full information package, visit coopergroup.ca. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.